Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Megat Daniel Haikal bin Megat Abdudin. So now I'm going to do an individual assignment for SRT605. So today I'm going to be answering two set of questions, which is first data set 1 of cholesterol. So Ikmal want to identify any significant differences in mean of cholesterol level between group A and also group B. So the first question, what is the suitable statistical analysis for the objective or the question? So the solution for this question involve four sets of point. First, we need to identify the independent variable. The independent variable consists of group A and also group B, and the dependent variable is the cholesterol level. So for the observation, the thing that we observe is the independent sample, which is independent t-test. And for the fourth one is the distribution of the data, which is test normality using Kolmogorov and also Shapiro. So for the second question is, what are the assumptions of the statistical analysis? So the assumption is cholesterol level, which is the dependent variable, is a numerical data. It is also a random sample, and two samples are independent of each other. Group A and also Group B are independent observation. So for the third question, you need to explain how to check the normality using SPSS and explain the output. So now we're gonna open the SPSS. Okay, first thing first, we're gonna click to variable view, and then we're gonna put the name, which is cholesterol, group cholesterol, and for the second one is level underscore cholesterol, and then we're gonna put the decimal for group cholesterol, which is 0, and level cholesterol of decimal, which is 1, and then we're gonna put the values, which is the 1 values labeled as group A, and we add it, and then 2 for group B, and we add it, and then we click OK. After that, we go to measure and we choose scale, and for the bottom one we use scale 2. After that, we go to data view, and then we put the data set that we have on our left. So for the A group, we have 11. We're gonna put the number 1, and then for the group B, we're gonna put 2. And then for the cholesterol level, we're gonna just put it into the according of the number 6, 6.4, 7, 5.8, 6, 5.8, 5.9, 6.7, 6.1, 6.5, 6.3, 5.8, 6.4, 5.6, 5, 4.5, 6, 6.47, 5.8, 6, 5.8, 5.9, 6.7, 1, 5, 3, 8, 4, 5.4. Okay, we have a mistake here. 5.4, and then 5.6, and then 5, 4.5, 6 and 6.1. Alright, and then we analyze and we take descriptive statistics and we choose explore, and then we put level cholesterol into the dependent list, and then group cholesterol into the factor list, and then we click statistics. So the descriptive confidence interval for mean is 95%, and then we click continue, and then we choose plot, and then we click on histogram and also normality plot with test, and then we click continue. After that we click OK, and then we wait for the result. Alright, as you can see, okay, for the test of normality, here we use Shapiro wheel because the sample size is not more than 50. So the significance is 0.332, which is more than 0.05, which is not significant and it is normal. And for the group B significant, it is 0.893, which is also not significant and it is normal. So for the histogram, as you can see, there is two histogram here. So from graphically, both shows normal distribution, so assumption is met. Distribution is normal, therefore the appropriate method used is independent t-test. So for the hypothesis, the null is there is no significance in mean of cholesterol level between group A and also group B. And for the hypothesis, there is significance in mean of cholesterol level between group A and also group B. So after that, we're gonna go to the independent t-test. So we open back our SPSS and then we click analyze. After that, we take compare means and choose independent sample t-test. Okay, and then we take group cholesterol, we take level cholesterol to the test variable and group cholesterol to the grouping variable, and then we click option. So we see that this confidence interval percentage is 95%, and then we click continue. After that, we define the groups. So group 1 we take it as 1 and group 2 as 2, and then we click continue. Okay, after that you click OK. So for the t-test, the group A mean is 6.227 while group B mean is 5.533. So there is significant in mean of cholesterol level between group A and also group B. Group A reported had significantly higher cholesterol level than group B. So now we proceed to the second question. So for data set 2, Iskandar want to compare the changes of scar area of the burn patient before and after treatment. Measurements are taken 1 day before and 1 week after treatment. So for the solution, there is 4 things that we need to take care first, which is dependent variable, which is scar area of burn patient, and independent variable, measurement before and after treatment, the observation, which is dependent sample of PET t-test, and distribution of data test normality using Kolmogorov and also Shapiro. So the assumption that we conclude is the observation difference before and after are normally distributed. So now we're gonna open our SPSS, and then we click on variable view, and then we fill the before treatment, and then after treatment. And then we go to decimal and put 2 for both of them. And then we're gonna go to measure and put scale on both of them. Okay, after that we click data view, and then we fill all of this form according to the data that we have on our left. So we put 5, 7, 5, 7, 5.5, 5, 3, 5, 6, 4, 8, 7.5, 6, 3, 2, 7, 7, 6, 4.5, and 4. And after that, we put the data for the after treatment, which is 4, 5.5, 3.5, 7, 4.5, 4, 2, 4.5, 4, 3, 6, 5.5, 4, 2, 1, 5.5, 4.5, 3, 3, 4, 5, 4.5, and the last one is 3. And then we click to transform, and we select compute variable. So after that, on the target variable, we type differences, and then we enter before treatment minus the after treatment, and then we click OK. So here we have the data of the differences between before treatment and after treatment. So after that, we click analyze, and then we select descriptive statistic, and we go to explore. And then we select differences, and we put it on the dependent list. And after that, we select statistic, and the confidence interval for mean is 95%. And after that, we choose plot, and we choose histogram, and also we click on the normality plot with test, and we select continue. After that, we click OK. Okay, so now we see the test of normality. So we use the Shapiro week because the sample size is not more than 50. So the value for difference is 0, for significant is 0.133, which is bigger than 0.05. So the data is normally distributed. Therefore, the appropriate method used is paired t-test. So for the null hypothesis, there is no changes of scar area of the burn patient before and after treatment. So for the hypothesis, there is changes of scar area of the burn patient before and after. So now we open back our SPSS, and then we're gonna do the paired t-test. So now we click on analyze, and we go to compare means, and we click paired sample t-test, and then we put in before treatment, and after that we click after treatment, and then we click option, and the confidence interval percentage is 95%, and then we continue, and then we click OK. So the mean of before treatment is 5.3750, and mean after treatment is 4.0500. So in conclusion, there is changes of scar area of the burn patient before and after the treatment. We can conclude that the treatment can reduce the mean scar area of the patient. That's all for me. Thank you.